Hello, my name is Jennifer, and a few months ago, I was trying to get my home sale because we wanted to start a family business, so we need the money. And I hired an agent to do the job, but unfortunately, I got really frustrated with this agent. It seems like he didn't know what he was doing. He didn't know anything about the marketing. He didn't take enough pictures. He didn't get good communication with me. He didn't get enough showings for my house. And I just finally felt like, you know what, I'll do it myself. I think I'll do it better. But a friend of mine talked to me about Terry Hendricks. She told me he was a really good agent. And I was like, I don't know, but somehow we set up the appointment. And when he started talking to me, I was like, this guy knows what he's doing. He got enough experience. And well, I gave him the job, and in less than 50 days, he got my home sale. He took enough pictures, he made really good offers, he got a lot of showings in this, few days, and we got a really good offer, we got the home sold, and we now have our family business start, and I'm very happy. So if you are looking for someone with enough experience, knowledge, and enough aggressive to get your home sold, contact Terry Hendricks. He's great.